Welcome guys, so today I am with the HUAWEI Y90 and I'm going to show you how camera pro mode looks in this phone. So at the first we have to open the camera application and we have to simply move from the photo mode that will be open as default to the more tab and select pro mode. And as you can see at the first when we enter, I will recommend you to tap on this information icon where you will find the great description of each feature. So if you don't know what is going on here, just take a look. At the first, let's focus on this bar. We can start from the white balance. And the first one is the automatic white balance. Right here we got presets, 4 different presets. And the last one is automatic slider between 8000 kelvins to the 2000 kelvins. Another option will be focus. So right here you got the automatic focus. This one it's manually. So we can set the focus manually, and this option, for example, get focus only on the objects very close to our lens. When I'm gonna move my hand, it will be out of the focus. Let's set it up automatically. Right here we can find the exposure compensation, and it goes crazy. It goes -12 and the +12, and the maximum value that I find in any phones it was like -4. So that's crazy amount, and that's the only parameter that we can set up only manually. Right here we can find the shutter speed. As you can see, we can get 8 seconds or this one. You can also get it automatically. Then another one, it's ISO between 100 and 3200, and that's the spot matching. Looks like we, by the way, lose the focus on the camera, and I don't know why. Okay, right now it works. And yeah, that was that for this pro mode. We can also enable the camera flashlight right here, and that's all. I'm a little bit surprised because the HUAWEI Y70 have more features in the pro mode than the Y90. I don't know why. But yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.